Transform your manufacturing business with the power of data. Stay tuned to uncover the future of manufacturing. Small business owners, do you grapple with obtaining complete data on production, transactions, and inventory control? What if there was a solution offering any data view you need, anytime, anywhere? Manufacturing Hacks Consulting utilizes the Microsoft 365 Power Platform, including Power BI and Excel Power Pivot, to customize any data view you need, anytime, anywhere. Imagine gaining up-to-date insights on your manufacturing operations from costing to MRP, ensuring informed decision-making. Gain up-to-date insights on your manufacturing operations, from costing to MRP, ensuring informed decision-making. But how can you empower your business with this data-driven approach? With Manufacturing Hacks, empower your MISys Manufacturing with enhanced data visibility and control, propelling your business into the future. Are you ready to join the future of manufacturing? Take the first step towards a smarter, more efficient manufacturing operation. Contact Manufacturing Hacks today. Transform your manufacturing business with the power of data today. The future of manufacturing awaits you.